How to refund on Uscreen. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you will learn how you can refund on Uscreen. So if this is your question, like I always say, ensure you watch this video to the end. So the first step is for you to log in into your Uscreen account. In case you're wondering or you don't know how to create a Uscreen account, there's a tutorial on this channel for that already. So just search for it and it will be brought out to you. So once you're on your Uscreen account, the next step is to move to the left side of your screen where you can see a sidebar displaying options like dashboard, content, people, community, subscriptions, bundles, sales, marketing. Ensure you click on the sales tab because that is our focus. So by clicking on the sales tab, you'll be taken to the page where you would see all of your invoices. Now for me, my invoice is empty because I have not sold anything to any customer. But for you, you will see all of your invoice here. So search for the customer that you would like to refund using their email, name or invoice number. Then click on the invoice number that needs to be refunded. Once you click on that, you'll see some options. Select the refund button located in the top right corner of the invoice number. You'll see it by the top right corner of the invoice numbers page. Okay, then when prompted with a confirmation pop-up, ensure you click refund to confirm, and then you'll be able to refund this particular customer. But you must note that the refund process may take approximately 10 to 30 days depending on the payment provider's refund policy. So that is it. Just head over to your sales tab and you're good to go. Thank you for watching and have a good day.